Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set daily reminders on iPhone. So let's get right into it. Okay, first, I'll go and get into reminders right here. Then what I can do is click at the bottom and click new reminder. And what we want to do is we want to go and pin. And what we want to do is we want to put in exactly whatever we want to do. So here I can just go and type take medicine. Now at the very bottom here, you will see this little calendar icon. What you want to do is click on the calendar icon, and here it's going to allow you to pretty much pick up, and change the date and time and all that stuff. So what I do is I click date and time. This little option will come up, and at the very bottom you can choose whether there is a time you want to go and get associated with as well. But at the bottom where it says repeat, you want to go and click here, and you want to go and click daily. Now you can also set it up if you want a weekdays or whatever the case is. In this case, we'll just set it up for daily, and you can have it to end the repeat to, let's say you only want it for the next month. We can go ahead and just put the data. If you want to end it, in this case we won't, and that is pretty much how to do it. You click apply. So if you want to delete it as well, you can swipe to the side and delete it. That's pretty much how to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, and thank you guys for watching this video.